Hello friends, this is Sanpreet Singh this side, and today we are going to create a Facebook campaign which is a call only campaign for our lead generation purpose, and the interface which I am going to use, that is a new interface by the Facebook. And here we can uh, click on the create button to start that campaign. The call only campaign can be run from the traffic or lead generation, and I'm going to choose this option, lead generation, and I'm continuing it. So this campaign is for our testing purpose, so I'm giving it the name test call only ads, and it would be a overview for this campaign. We will not talk about the things which you might be already aware of. So I'm going to click on the next button. So again, we can give any kind of name here. So my call is related to the car, so ad set name is car. You can be more descriptive, like you can mention the brand or make of the car if you wish. So here I am using ad set name as car. So I will choose my lead method here, that is calls, and here it will ask me for the Facebook page for which I have to run this ad. So there is one page selected, and in this ads manager we have only one page associated with it. So I am going with the daily budget option. You can choose for the daily budget or lifetime budget. In lifetime budget, you can use the ad scheduling option, but in daily budget you cannot use that ad scheduling option. So here by default budget is 800 rupees, but I am changing it into the 500 rupee, and here at right side it is giving me a estimated daily results, like we can reach from 7,000 to 20,000 people with this 500 rupees daily budget, and we can expect around 100 calls, between 33 to 96 calls. It is just a tentative estimate, so these numbers are not sure shot. So it is just a hint, or you can say estimate. Here we can create a new audience from for which location we have to run the campaign. We can choose for the age group or genders, or in detail targeting. We can ask for the interest or behavior of that person, like if I have to use used cars. So Facebook will give me the list of suggestions of the audience that who has interest in used cars. So I'm not using this audience because I have already prepared an audience for my previous campaign. So that audience I can select here. So this was my previous audience targeting, campaign targeting. So I'm going to use this campaign targeting, and my placement we can choose for the manual or automatic placement. But here in manual placement you can see in this section, if we have chosen that uh, lead generation objective, in that case Facebook will run the ads on the Facebook network only. And if we would have chosen that option, the traffic option, in that case Facebook would be able to place these ads on all these platforms like Facebook, Audience Network, Instagram, Messenger, etc. So I'm not using this manual option because there is already very few placements which are aligned by the Facebook. So here I'm going with the automatic placement method, and again it will ask me optimization and delivery type. It is call, and now I'm going to click on actually my estimated daily results have been changed. Let me check why. Okay, it is based on my audience selection which I have taken. So that is why my estimated result is now showing bit different. So now I will go on the next button, and here you can see it is taking my uh, preview of my Facebook banner. But we can, or anytime we can always use different type of ad creatives like single image or video or carousels. So here in video, here in single image, I will replace my media, edit media. Okay, so I will change my media. So these are the previous ad creatives which we were using. The dimension is 1080 into 1080 for the Facebook ads. I'm going to use this one, and here I will use my primary text. My primary text would be pre-owned Duster car is available. Available for sales in Delhi. Fine. So this would be my primary text, which will appear here. I will show you the preview later, and it would be my heading: best deal on mint condition used duster car. And in description we can tell more about the product or our business or our services. So in description I will say we deal in multi brand used cars, verified and well maintained cars for you. And we can say a bit more about our services like car finance service is also there. Fine. And now we can use any kind of call to action. We can say call us, or we can say book now, whatever suits for the business. So here I will take the country code, which is India, and here I will put the phone number. I'm just giving a random phone number, 99999999. So it is taking more than 10 digits, so I will again stick to the 10 digits only. So it's a kind of random phone number I have used. So you can use your business phone number, and the call will drop there only on your phone. And these kind of ads will run on the mobile device mainly. It is meant for the mobile device only, this kind of ads. So these are ads these ads are being placed on Facebook feed and Facebook marketplace. So here I can expand and show you the ad experience. So this is our ad preview, you can say. Actually there is another link for the ad preview which we can share with our customer also, our client also. So here you can check the ad preview in this expanded mode. So Our primary text is here, our ad copy is here, and our uh, headline is here, and description is under that. So there is the call now button, which will lead to the phone call when someone will saw this ad and click on this ad copy. So because it was just for the overview, I'm not going to publish this. Actually, I have made this campaign just for the overview purpose, so it is not the requirement of the business currently. So here you can check this video again, and you can make your own uh, campaign for the calls from the Facebook. Thank you so much.